Hey gorgeous, how are you doing? I'm hanging out in one of the rooms in our house that we're looking after, and I really love these pieces of artwork. They're like metally, goldy. I don't know what they are, but they look amazing. Don't you think so? So my message today is about resistance. I've dealt with this recently myself. I've had a lot of resistance come up to start on a certain project, and um, I I was delaying doing the project, or actually starting the project, because of the resistance. And I know that, I know that resistance is actually a sign that we are meant to do this kind of work, that we're resisting, because it gets us to the next level. A fear is an indicator of something we need to pay attention to. And I'm talking about fear, the fear of resisting something new in business. I'm not talking about fear of being mugged or something like that. So the fear, the resistance that comes up because you're wanting to do something but you keep resisting, usually has a couple of reasons. Reason number one is that it is time for you to move on because you're no longer enjoying the work, or you're no longer enjoying the process. So you need to listen to what it is actually meaning for you, whether it is time for you to move on and do something else, or whether the resistance is the second meaning, which means you actually have to break through that barrier because it helps you grow to the next level of you. And when we are growing to the next level, we become better business owners, we become better people, we become better partners, better wives, better husbands, better friends, better everything. And the hardest part about resistance is to actually, pushing through that, and allowing yourself the mistakes that you will make, or the anxiousness, the anxiety, the fear that you will feel, but do whatever your heart is asking you to do, regardless of the resistance. And when you're able to do that, you'll actually find that it wasn't as hard as you imagined, because it's usually our mind that plays havoc with us. Our mind tells us lies all the time. Our mind is our own worst critic. And when we are resisting a process, then we need to silence the mind and just do whatever it is that we're wanting to do. Hey Arthur, how you doing? It's been a while since we connected. So yeah, that's just a quick message from me, because I've finally pushed through that resistance, and I've taken the first step, and I actually feel relieved, and I feel happy, and there's a sense of accomplishment as well, because I allowed myself to feel into the resistance, but I knew that I had to do it because it was something that I'm passionate about. Oh, that's great. That is awesome. Yeah, I feel pretty calm. I feel pretty calm. I got a We've got a great place here. We're in northern New South Wales, and it's gorgeous. We're looking after beautiful fur babies and a beautiful property. We've got a pool. It's really nicely decorated and furnished, so it's a great space to actually be creative and to run my business from, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I just wanted to share that message. I keep it short today, and yeah, thank you so much for jumping on, Arthur. I appreciate it, and I hope your wifey and the kiddies are all fine. Um, have a great day wherever you are, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.